Yes. Thank you, sir.
Extortion, extortion.
And they're going to be here today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
If I ain't mistaken, I believe I have the case number written down over on my desk. Let me check real quick. All right, you bring your title, sir?
What I would like to do is, the young lady said she sent my motorcycle down here, and she gave me this 223357.
All right, give me one moment. I'm gonna run back there and look at it.
Is it possible I can go back there and inspect my car and motorcycle?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet. Give me one moment. I'll be right back.
All right, appreciate it. This young lady here.
municipal form.
You don't have to do one?
No.
Because Maryland's a two-titled state. Finance company gets this, you get a blue title.
We still haven't gotten there.
Well, you should have gotten it. Because I can't take this, it says this is not a title. I can see if the car is here, but
Okay.
we'll go from there.
Alright.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need that blue title. Because I can't take this, because it says this is not a title.
So how can we
You
get
can go,
a,
you can go over to MBA and apply for a duplicate and take that receipt. We'll take the receipt saying you applied. But it needs to be towed out on tow truck.
yeah, the tags were stolen, they're missing.
Then you're gonna have to get new tags. And this car is going to auction this Saturday.
On auction. Saturday?
This Saturday.
Do you have documents stating that it's going on auction?
Yeah, the certified letter, we sent out a certified letter.
The letter we received was saying the vehicle is here and it should be retrieved within 11 business days, and that's what we
That's all I can tell you, it's going to sell unless the person who handles all the auction stuff says I can release that. This is not going to auction. She's not here today. She'll be here tomorrow.
Who's the name of it? Who is this person?
Corporal Frizz.
Can I have his card?
You can have, I can give you her direct line, but she's not in today.
Okay.
She works Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Okay, can I have that information?
Give her direct line, call and ask for Frizz.
Okay.
Alright? So go ahead and try to get that, get some tags for it.
Can I have the documents stating that it's going on auction this Saturday?
Okay, let me see your ID one more time, please.
Right.
Someone documented that.
Is it in the, did it actually, the actual?
She wants documents showing it's gone.
You can't do it, it's not allowed. It's not allowed. Yeah. No.
Interesting. Real interesting. This ain't nothing but a scam that's taking place down here. God dang, the yard isn't that big, man. Either you have the bike or you don't have the bike. Shit. Motorcycles are right outside the door.
You're just gonna have to talk to her. So, call that tomorrow. She's in 7. Okay? 7 to 2. How are you?
How you doing there, Sergeant? I thought you retired.
I'm trying to. All right, you gotta let me retire. All right.
I don't blame you,
6
man.
months.
Let me. You still in charge here, right?
What's that?
You still in charge here?
Yeah, don't tell anybody though.
And
Didn't prove ownership.
I would like a copy of that jacket of my property that you all have.
Gonna take it.
I'm
I just
sorry.
wanna make sure that-
I said I would like copies of the documents that you all have here of my vehicles.
Right, but you're
Oh,
showing me files.
who's
I
dealing
asked
with
for
it?
Yeah,
He is.
yeah, he's checking on something, but I just want to make sure.
Go back to the car.
But we don't have a title.
Okay, then you can't go back to the car, unfortunately. That's not a title.
But this is all we have.
Okay.
Everything that was in that car was
Okay,
taken.
MBA is right there. You can get a duplicate title and take that receipt. That's proof of ownership. Right there.
Yeah, but you never come into the dealership. I'm into the MBA. You said what day this woman wants? I mean, Hooper,
All right, Miss
Wednesday,
Bowman.
Tuesday.
She'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
So I went back there and looked. I thought you told me your name was in yellow. That thing is completely blacked out.
No, I said it's
What's your name?
Ghost Out. My name is Ghost Out on the bike.
I didn't know what that means. You got
That means you see my name in black,
But
but
I
you.
did this time because
Oh,
I was looking because
okay.
you gave me an actual number. So yeah, we do have it.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
H-A-U-S.
Is it possible? So I
So what am I doing?
I'm not paying for anything. And if you auction it off, you're just gonna open up a big. Not you, but Montgomery
Well,
County.
unfortunately, that's what's going to happen.
Okay, well, it's gonna be a criminal matter then because I'm going federal with it. I'm making. Listen to me, Mr. Davis. And that's just, I understand this has nothing to do with you all.
No, I was just going to tell you what you need to do.
Okay, I've already been to Tacoma Park and I'm not gonna go through them again because, okay, the problem is this. I'm waiting. If you all auction off my private property, it's gonna open up a worm for Montgomery County. And I'm gonna look for criminal federal charges. My property was stolen by Tacoma Park, brought here again, okay? And if you are, I'm letting you know, I'm not consenting to anything. So if you sell it, I'm actually going federal pressing charges on you. Because I'm making it clear to you. My property was stolen. Okay.
But
I
what
would
I'm
like,
tell you, what you can do is, since you have a lawyer, have your lawyer do a
we've
record
al-
cleven
no, we're not,
to the court
we've already done that.
to
We,
push the sell, to hold off on it.
Mr. Davis, we've already been through this one time, okay?
Well, I
And,
wish I had
and,
something I could do, but I'm
Okay.
telling you everything I can tell you to do.
and I'm not saying it's you all's fault.
It's going to go to sell.
Okay. Okay, believe me. And I'm going to press federal charges on people because I'm going to make it clear You can't steal my property and then sell it to somebody else. You just can't do it. So you're a law enforcement officer, right?
Get notified the last known registered owner of the vehicle.
No. And that's another thing. You all know who the owner is, and you haven't sent. And I would like a copy of that document that you sent to him, because he's not the owner. I am.
The passenger side has
The last known registered owner is by Maryland statute.
Maryland statute does not.
When it goes to a federal court, Maryland statute does apply.
No, I'm afraid not. But I'm afraid not, because the last time we was here, these are the same vehicles, Mr. Davis, and you released them to me when you knew that I am the registered owner of this property. I don't have to register my private property with a government agency. And like I tell them, show me the law that says that.
the only thing I can give you is the front.
Okay, there is no law.
Okay.
And just like I told
You
to.
don't have to register, but when it gets into a police impound lot, you do have to do something.
If it went in there legally, it's not.
I'm telling you everything you can do to help prevent the sale of these vehicles.
I'll be honest with you. I want you to sell them, and then I'm going to show you how the law works. I really do, because this is extortion on the taxpayers. And
Mr. Moment, listen.
no, Sarge, I got nothing against you guys.
No, you don't. And that's
Okay,
why I'm trying to.
but I told you this is Tacoma Park.
Well, then, listen.
Okay,
Listen.
I don't want to talk
No,
further.
I saw something go across.
Oh, I just want to come in and I want to videotape my property on your property,
Listen,
and that's it.
We can't do that. All right, now listen.
So you deny me to see my own
Can you
property?
listen to me a minute. All right. Didn't I help you before?
Yeah.
All right. Now you're going to listen to me. You got to listen to me right now. You need to take care of business out here. You know the deal. We don't have any paperwork showing that you're the owner. You need to go back to Tacoma Park. Do what you need to do. All right.
Sarge.
Talk to them. All right.
You released my property to me the last time when I showed you documents.
Here's the other thing. Can you? What about the owner, the guy, whoever you bought the vehicle from?
He's a witness. He's going to be a witness that he came here and told you all.
Good. Well, there's nothing here for us to release on.
I'm not asking to be released right now.
Okay.
Just like I told
Well, I'm
Mr.
not gonna
Davis.
allow you to go back there and do any filming either.
Even if I'm the owner of the
You are
property.
not the registered owner.
I am the registered.
Okay. Listen, listen. You put yourself in this.
No. Montgomery, Montgomery County did it.
We're done right now.
Okay.
Do I like he gave you a suggestion, and you know.
Sergeant, I don't want, like I told y'all county executive, I'm not after Montgomery County, but they've already messed up by 19 days. But I'm telling you, do not sell my property. You know I'm not consenting. It was illegally taken. And if you sell my property, I'm going to seek criminal charges, whoever sells them.
No, and I don't blame you.
Okay, I'm just letting you know what's going to happen.
All right. Well, listen.
And all I did, came down here today, was to photograph. I called, and you said you didn't have my motorcycle.
Send someone on my behalf.
Okay?
All right. Hold on. I got
Now I'm being denied access to see my own property. Come on, man. I'm the wrong one. I really am. This is nothing but a racket that's being taken place here. And nothing against you all. Nothing. Because I mean,
We're going by what we have to do.
no. Because we read all on this. You know,
Okay.
all I want to do is take photographs of my property being in your yard. My property. You released it to me the last time, and you found out it is my property. Now you're saying you're not going to release it. You aren't even going to let me see my own property. Even though the owner told you I bought it.
And what will then you
Come on, man.
Just their ID?
I hope y'all can tell this to 12 people and think that they're going to believe this.
Name that I put down.
I already gave you a copy of the phone.
In case if they show up and there's a different story.
There's not, because she wrote the name.
Can I take a picture of it? You're not gonna make copies?
As I was asking him, you all say you sent a letter out saying that you're going to sell this. I just want a copy of that letter since I'm the owner. I have the title saying that.
Let me finish, find out what he's got going, and then we can go back to you.
Okay.
I just want to see what.
Are you want
Well, it's the same title. That it shows I bought the vehicle. The guy came down here, told you that I bought the vehicle. Not you, but the young lady. I bought the vehicle. I have the sale. So, I don't know where y'all get, well, I'm not the owner. And I'm telling you, do not sell my property. If you do, you're going to go back, whoever you sold it to, and get it from them. And if it's damaged, you're going to pay for it. This is just number of extortion that's going on out here. They released my vehicles to me the last time because I was the owner. Now they're saying I'm not the owner. The same vehicles. What they done is they got themselves caught up again from the first time back again.
Is that recording right now?
I'm in the public area.
What'd you say?
I'm in the public area.
You're also in a police facility.
This is a public area, Sarge, which I have a right to do. Unless Maryland got different laws than the whole rest of the United States. Let me explain.
Let
me explain this to you, Sarge.
You use the laws when it benefits you.
No,
Like,
sir.
I don't need an ID. I don't need all this.
And
But
I
yet
don't, sir.
You use the courts when it's convenient for you.
Oh no, this going to court. This going to court. Make no mistake about that. And it's not trying to bring you all into it. And this is what I'm trying not to do.
But we are being brought into it because we're only doing our job. And Mr. Moment, you've been very cooperative.
And you have too. And this is why I'm trying to just take pictures of my I'm not even trying to take it out of here. I made it quite clear to Tacoma Park. If they sell my vehicles, I'm going to press federal charges on them because they were illegal. Show me a law, Sarge, listen to me for a minute. And I'm not mad with this department because I know y'all doing your job.
Right.
Show me a law that says I have to sign over my private property to a government agency or I have to have paperwork to travel in this country. I don't. There is no such law.
Well,
There is no, but I can show you what the Constitution said. My property and effects are secured, okay? And this public street, I pay for it.
yeah, but where was it towed from this time?
On a public street again. Only reason they told.
You know what? When that car came, no, listen, hear me out, because if I remember the car that came in here. You had you had no tags for it, none whatsoever.
Again.
You can't have an unregistered vehicle on a street.
No.
You cannot do that.
Well, we're going to go to court, and I'm going to show them
Well,
that
they
they.
need to do that.
And
That's what I suggest you do.
and that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
They've already received their paperwork that they're being sued,
Okay.
and that's when they went headhunting for these vehicles, and they found them, and they sat there, and they put enough tickets on it so that they could tow them illegally. It's an intimidation because you all made them pay a bill that they thought that I was going to pay for, and here we go again. I'm not paying for anything, and matter of fact, I'm going to make them pay me millions for this illegal act.
Yeah, actually, Montgomery County paid that bill.
Well, they say they did. I don't know who paid it, but they finna pay the bill again.
All right.
But it has nothing to do with you, sorry. All I wanted to do today is because, one, I called here. The tow people said they sent my motorcycle here. I called here. You guys said you didn't have it. The young lady called me back and gave me a number. She said she don't know what happened, so I'm here today. And all I want to do is take photographs on my vehicles on this yard. And if you sell them, you sell them. But like I say, when we go to court and the judge tells them I'm correct about what I'm saying, somebody's going to have a problem because they're going to get my vehicles back.
Okay.
I don't want nobody to buy me new vehicles. I spent too much money on that motorcycle and putting that car together, and I want my exact property back.
To the officer that towed the vehicles? Or what has Tacoma Park told you?
The same thing they did they don't even want to talk to me. The same bull they did last time, Sarge. They know that they even took the Mercedes. They got the Mercedes. My Mercedes is coming up here. And like I told them, sell it. $75 million lawsuit against them for the first time. Montgomery County locked me up for 19 and a half hours And nobody even knew I was in the jail until the officer came back on a traffic violation, a civil matter. And when I leave from here, I'm going to the county executive office again. You know, and I got nothing against you all because you're doing just like the tow people. You do. All I'm asking is this: you got my property again. I just want to videotape it to make sure it's here and all right, because you know it's mine.
I don't know anything.
Well, I'm just saying you released this. These are the same vehicles you released the last time.
I was ordered to do that. You know,
Because I showed that they were mine, Sarge.
No, it doesn't actually. All right. What I would do if I were you, go back over to the executive's office then.
Yeah, but I'm here now, and all I want to do is
I'm not
videotape.
gonna let you go back and film anything because I don't know what property's in there. And
No, I don't want anything out of there. I just want to take pictures of it.
I'm not doing that. All right. No. Okay. I would. You know. We're going to do the same thing as last time. Go over there, and if they deem it that you should have everything, then and you don't have to abide by the law.
Come on now, I am abiding by the law, Sarge. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Those cars were not registered. All right. What the car came in with a phony tag on it.
No, that's not a phony tag. That's not a phony tag.
Oh, it's very phony.
Oh no.
And, you know
And see, that's
but
what.
if that county executive wants us
So,
to release it to you.
Let me ask you a question. Since you're the car, can you show me the law that says?
We're not playing that again. You want to be.
I'm just saying. Can you show me the law?
Important to you. All right.
It was important the first time.
You didn't follow the law. It's unregistered, man. You made up a tag.
I do not have to register my private property, Sarge, because there is no law.
Okay. All right.
So you denied me access to go back.
You're not going back there.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So we're done.
You're not gonna give me a copy of that either.
No, it's not your vehicle until you prove otherwise. You got to.
Even the owner came here and told you I bought it and I got a for sale sign. I mean, title for sale. This is nothing but extortion. That's fine. Can I get it? Can I get a card from the Sarge, please? This is nothing but extortion down here, and it's gonna make you look bad. I'm telling you now, I'm not consenting to anything, and if you sell my vehicles, I'm going for federal charges on people. Now I don't own the vehicles, but you released them to me the last time when I showed you that I was the owner of the vehicles.
He doesn't have one, Mr. Bowman.
Can you write his name and badge number down for me, please, if he will allow that? And I'm being denied all paperwork, copies of paperwork on my property today. This is crazy what's going on in this state. These people are in cahoots with these tow companies out here, and they're just stealing people's property, selling it for profit. All right. So I can't get a copy of nothing in that jacket.
Your phone number again?
240
I think I have that one now.
556 4231. Tell your son, don't take it personal. I've done my research on this.
All right, give me one moment and I'll answer that question. As the owner of the property, I'm being denied access to any of the documents in the jacket.
As you see, the Sarge can't give me the law that states and backs up what he's saying because there is no law. I turned my tags and my license in '83, and I've been traveling up and down the highways since then. Been stopped by law enforcement since then. No citizen has to register his private property with a government agency, and you do not need documents to travel in this free United States. This is a scam that the DMV and government agencies have been playing on its citizens. In this case, it's going to show you that. And these other tow companies that they are in cahoots with are stealing people's vehicles off the street. Now, mind you, the last time I was here, they returned all my vehicles to me because they were mine. The owner who sold me the vehicle, the gentleman who sold me the vehicle, came all the way from Ohio and informed them that I bought the vehicle from him. Had the bill of sale, all that. Now I'm not the owner. I'm gonna cut this off right now so I can talk to this sergeant, because I don't have no hard feelings toward them. Stand by.
Mr. Mullen? Hey, there you go. What's going on? All right. There, that dude, you know, let's make sure that that gets squared away too. Here's what we're gonna do. You did pull this up, okay? And what I saw, I'm comfortable. Are you gonna get the car today?
No. No, sorry, what
I'm trying to help you out here.
No, Sarge, what I'm saying is this. This is my private property. I want it to be sold so I can bring criminal charges on, listen to me. Okay. I'm not trying to do you guys in. I know you're doing the job. But I made this clear. Tacoma Park is specifically targeting me. And I want them, if you sell my vehicle, what they stole and brought over here, it's going to open up a criminal matter. I've already talked to the FBI. I talked to them.
Listen to me.
So,
that's what I'm going to do. All right. Now, since the previous file from when they told me I had to give it back to you, all right? And, you know, and with the paperwork I have, I'll put a hold on it, on the Mazda.
The motorcycle too.
Wait, no, hold on. Is that what this is? Yeah. All right, so.
You have my motorcycle.
Let me deal with this first, okay? Jesus Lord, help me out here.
Sorry, I spent over $20,000 rebuilding this motorcycle and my car, and it's a souped-up motorcycle.
Should have bought a brand new one for that.
No. This is a souped-up motorcycle. I could have ran from the post office.
Hold on a second. Okay. Before that, so I'll cone this car. Well, let me put it this way. I'll hold the car so it don't go to auction, okay?
Okay, look. All honesty, I got nothing against you all or Montgomery County. This is between me and Tacoma Park.
Okay, well,
and they putting y'all in the middle of it. And I understand what you're saying. Okay, there is no law. I've had 5 different lawyers look this up, and myself. There is no law.
No law for what?
For a citizen to register his private property. You know what those tags? No.
Listen, I'm trying to help you. If you don't want me to.
No. I understand what you're saying.
But you're wrong on that.
No,
right? It's right in the traffic article. All
the
right?
traffic article is incorrect.
Okay, well, you know what?
And we're going to prove it in the courtroom. That's what I'm waiting on.
I hope you do.
Okay.
I hope you do. It'll be a great one to find out.
If they bring me.
Then I really will quit, okay?
Okay, well, get ready. I don't want you to quit because you're a nice guy. I don't want you to quit. Believe me when I tell you that.
Louder, all right?
I am. I do. I think you guys are great, but it's not you all.
Well, you tell me, all right? with this Mazda right now? Are you trying to get it out? Or?
No. I mean, right
'Cause
now,
it's going to go to auction. I mean, you tell me what you want to do.
just like I told you, the county executive, I think I sent you all a letter that you're responsible for my vehicles since you're holding it again. And then if you sell it, you're going to go get it, whoever you sold it to. So you might, to do the same thing you did before. Just set it aside until this is over with in the courtroom. Because it's going to a court.
I don't have room for all these cars, man.
Sarge, let me tell you something right now. This was done out of intimidation.
Let's talk about now. Am I holding this car or not?
You guys got it. I'm not paying for it to get it out.
Okay, then. So you don't want me to hold it?
Yeah, I want you to hold it. I do not want my property sold, but
Okay.
I can't make you sell it or not sell it because
I'll
you
tell
have.
you right now, all they're going to do, hear me out. You broke the law, but they're going to come back and tell me, "Oh, go ahead and release it to him." And I guess that's okay.
No.
Well, I'm going to hold it for you because you've always been cooperative with me.
And,
All right. And so,
but you have my motorcycle and not my Mercedes coming here.
I'm trying to do this one first.
Okay, but you got that back there, and that's the only reason I came because the lady said she didn't have it, and I called here and you guys say you didn't have it.
Which one are you talking about?
The black motorcycle from the last time.
Oh, I don't know. We have the motorcycle, all right, and that. Do you have anything for that paperwork-wise?
That's the same way you released it the last time. Yeah.
No, we didn't have anything last time. All right?
No, I'm saying it was in the same group that you released last time.
Huh? We did not have.
No, it's a salvage bike that I built.
Right, but you don't understand. I did you a solid. I'm like, no, they expect. You evidently, according to the powers to be, you didn't have to have anything registered, or any paperwork. And they said, release the cars. I said, okay, but here we go again. We're
With the
starting all over
same,
again.
with the same
And
vehicles.
it's like, so right now I'm going to hold this one. I'm going to have to take a look at all that on the motorcycle.
Yeah, it's just sorry, it's the same vehicles all over again.
I know.
Oh, I mean, and they told them.
Is this how you do this? You cause just.
No, sorry, believe me.
Everybody's like, all right, we're done with it.
Let me tell you something. Believe me what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Tacoma Park is a criminal element.
Right.
Okay, and they're not just doing this to me. They're doing it to a lot of people. But you're not going to do this to my private property.
Listen to me. Slow down now.
Not you.
All right,
Not you. I'm talking about Tacoma
I'm gonna
Park.
hold both of them. All right.
But you got, okay, and I appreciate that.
You do what you need to do, but they'll have to go to the next auction if they're still here. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to help you.
Well, we have a lawsuit being filed in Greenbelt.
All right. But
So
right now, I'm holding both of them for you. All right. Okay. So do what you need to do, and hopefully.
they know. Hopefully, you gonna get ready to retire because
Please let me retire.
I'm just gonna let you know that the Lord's on my side.
All right. I got you.
You know, we have,
We'll hold them both. All right.
and I still can't videotape it.
What's that?
I still can't record it. I would just like to record it from that it's here. That's all.
All right.
I'm not trying to I'm not trying to go in nothing. I'm not even none of that, Sarge.
If you want to do that, that's fine.
I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all. And I'm not upset with nobody here. I'm not even upset with it.
Upset.
No, I'm not, Sarge.
right.
No, I'm not.
Give me
I appreciate you guys. I mean, you've been real respectful and professional with me. It's not your fault.
Yeah, don't tell my chief that, okay?
Well,
Hey, listen.
yeah,
I'll have to go back with you.
okay.
Let's.
I'll meet you at the gate.
Yeah, I gotta get in my car. All right, I'll meet you back there, okay?
All right, sir. Thank you.
You want to start with the motorcycle?
Yes, sir.
Is this gonna be the easiest one?
Yeah, wherever you have first, Sarge.
No, that's fine. Hold on.
I'm not a hard person. I just want to videotape that it's here and that they didn't destroy it because they destroyed those other 9 cars.
And I think I know where your other one is. I'll tell you what.
It's at Montrose Towing.
Oh, no. The Mazda. You wanted to film that one too, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You just head on back, and I'll.
Okay. The motorcycles are right here to the left, right?
Yeah.
As soon as you go through, all right. You guys are auctioning that one off?
No. Oh, no.
As you see, I'm back at the yard again, and all I'm doing is going to record this, that my vehicles are here, and I appreciate these guys here. They're professional, even though I take it to the limit with them. But all I want to do is record my property being here in Montgomery County tow yard, abandoned tow yard, and I'm not consenting to anything. These vehicles were illegally towed. I do not have to register my private property.